Hello people, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to create text with an outline in Canva, just like the one you saw in this thumbnail and I'm sure you've seen on books all across the Amazon marketplace. So if you are new here, I want to extend my warmest welcome to you. My name is Ben and I like to bring out videos like this one on my self-publishing journey and all the hints, tips and tricks that follow. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I bring out videos like this. And also be sure to join my Facebook group. There's a community of over 1,000 self-publishers. We're all helping each other. We've all got the same goals. So it's really, really cool. And of course, if you don't know about it, then be sure to enroll in the Royalty Accelerator course, especially if you're looking to grow your business, to invest in yourself, to become a better publisher. There's some really hot tips in here. There's some really hot success and it's a really hot community. And if you click on the link in the description below, there should be a cool 20% off the whole course. There's so much that comes along with it. I couldn't recommend it enough. But guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. So this is something that you want to be doing as it looks super professional, and a lot of professional work does seem to incorporate this text outline feature. Like you can see, for example, this book. This is the first one that came to mind. It incorporates it here in the unicorn and the 4 kids. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Sorry if it's not very clear, but basically the unicorn has this polka dot text color with a white outline, and the 4 kids has pink text with this white outline, and it's that white outline that makes it look more like a sticker, and it just makes it look super professional and cool. So it's something you want to be doing in your work as well. So I'm going to show you how to make it here on Canva. If you're using other things like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, it's super simple over there. They have all the settings. You can literally just use word art and they already have a setting for this. So I think Canva are a bit behind in that sense, but it's still fairly simple to do. So I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. So we're just going to create an extra page. So if we press this add page here, it's already got this dark green background. So I'm going to use this top font because this top font looks a little bit cooler than the bottom one. So it's called Faithful. So we're just going to add some text here. Just press add heading and we're going to select Faithful up here. So what we are going to be doing is just writing something else as well. Like let's just stick with activity book because nothing else comes to mind. So we just want to make that good size so everyone can see it. So if we do activity book there. Now, there is a whole host of effects that have recently come onto Canva. As you know, that the curve has also come onto Canva very recently. I think a lot of you have been making good use of that. So that's cool to see. But there's no actual setting to give any text an outline, which is a little bit annoying, seeing as it's so simple in other platforms. So basically, all you have to do really is put this one at the color of the base. So we want to replicate this. So we want the color to be black underneath. So let's try black text to begin with. So we're going to just leave that one as it is. And very simply, we're just going to copy and paste that and place it exactly on top of the activity book like that. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to change the color to whatever the color of the outline you wish. So in this example above, we've used white, so we're going to use white here. So let's change that to white, and we're going to go on effects, press hollow here, and we're just going to slide this to max depending on how much we want. Normally max is the best, so just slide that to max, and then very, very simply, we're just going to press backwards. And before you know it, you've got your text and text outline, and you've got a professional looking book title cover. There's other things you can do with it as well. You can mix and match these effects and just have a mess around with it. This is the core basics. It would be nice to have a shadow as well. So what we can do as well is, in order to get to the bottom one, we want to copy and paste that again. So at the moment, this is 2 different activity books merged into one here. So we're just going to have to click on the top, position that to the back, so we've got access to this one here again. In fact, we're just going to copy and paste this, and we're just going to use we can use shadow on this here like that, And what we can do is we can create an offset of maybe like 75 or something like that, and then we can put that underneath like that. We want to send this to the back, and if we put this on top just like that, we can send that backwards, and now you've got a sticker with a shadow as well, so it's looking super cool. There's obviously other effects that you can mix and match with. It doesn't have to be shadow. Lift is also a very good option. Neon as well has a very similar effect to lift when used in the way. I've not tried glitch, but I'm sure that'd be an interesting one to do. But you can just mess around with it. All you need to do really is just copy and paste, and then, you know, just position it in the correct way. So this black layer will always be on top, then the outline layer will be underneath, and then whatever you mess around with will be at the bottom. So you can literally just not decimate, you can just tear it apart here, put it back together, and boom. Yeah, I think that needs to be a little bit more, but there you have it, guys. Hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.